Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kris here with Keeping Up with Kris. And today I'm back with another Mother's Day unboxing. You know, last year I did my Mother's Day unboxing, and so this year it'd be only right to do another one. This year, as you can see, I am unboxing my newest handbag. It's a Gucci bag, and if you're interested in seeing what bag that is, please make sure to keep watching. Okay guys, so this is the new packaging from Gucci. I haven't bought anything from Gucci since about last year, maybe like last October, but this wasn't the bag, the carrier bag that I got. So this is their newest carrier bag. I absolutely love the color contrast of this, so it's so pretty. Official name. This is the Gucci GG, the Gucci Ophidia bag, okay? And this is a bag that I've been looking at for a very long time. If you follow my Instagram, which I'll link it here, you probably have already seen it because I worn it a couple of times in a few pictures, but yeah, so this is the box that it came in. And yeah, I just think it's so pretty. It's giving like vintage, and the type of box like the print on it is just giving Victorian. And you know me, and you follow my Instagram and my Twitter, you know that I am like a historian like freak, okay? So this already like just sucked me in, just the packaging. So let me go ahead, here we go. This is the inside of the packaging. And here is the dust bag that it came with. So guys, I don't think I mentioned, but this bag retails at $1,850, $1,850, give or take. The taxes is about, I live in the DMV area, so the taxes were about $100 and some. So I think I ended up paying maybe like $2,000, around that, but it wasn't a lot. But yeah, this is the dust bag, and then here is the beautiful bag. Look at this bag, y'all. So this is the size of my hand, this is the size of the bag, so it's definitely giving clutch. But there's a size, there's one, and it's smaller than this, and I think it retails at about $1,500. When I saw it, I was like, oh, that's not me. And this part right here is actually, the bag right here is very structured, but right here is very soft. So you can actually feel the contents of your bag through here. So we have our double G, and this closure is very tight. Like, you're not getting in here. Like, look at that. So I had a Louis Vuitton bag one time, not to like drag Louis Vuitton in it, but it was similar to this, but it had a flap, and that was it. There was no zip. I felt like if I packed it too much, my stuff was gonna fall out. But with this one, like, it's definitely, these magnets are strong. So let's take this out. This is the stuffing. And then this is the inside of the bag. So you can definitely fit like a card wallet in here, money on one side or whatever, cosmetics, wallet. And this is the chain that it comes with. And I will try to link the picture here from my Instagram so that you can see how far down it hits on my body. I am 5'2", and it is a very good length. Like, I absolutely love it. And this hardware is heavy. It's not like flimsy. This is the back, so it's identical to the front minus the GG in the back. And this is what the side of it looks like. This is the hardware on both sides. And like I said, like, look at the magnet. It's actually holding my hand. Like, nothing's getting in here. I absolutely love it. So yeah, I got this for myself as a gift. I've been looking at it for a very, very long time, and maybe like a few months. I feel like I'm a practical person, so when I am purchasing something, I do like mull over it for a while, like in my head first. I don't just haphazardly buy anything. So yeah, this is my most recent purchase. This is what I got myself for for Mother's Day. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys tell me in the comment section below if you have been interested in this bag and if you would purchase it. This is what the bottom looks like. Y'all, I just love this bag. It's so dainty. It's so me. It's very classic and timeless. Signature Gucci, and I think that is what like drew me to this bag. So yes, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Would you buy it? Is it a hit or is it a miss? Let me know. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, be looking out for more videos from me soon. I will see you guys in the next one.